Okay, then part A says to determine the greatest and least values of this as theta varies. It doesn't ask for what values of theta that is for, but we're going to kind of use that to help us a little bit. So we can straight away, instead of writing what they've given us, put in our 8 cos to the power of 4 theta. It's going to be take away 3 plus 7, so that's just plus 4. So when will this be at its biggest? It will be at its biggest when the denominator of the fraction is at its smallest. So greatest when 8 cos to the power of 4 theta plus 4 is smallest. But when is that at its smallest? Well, we'd usually say for a trig function, it's at its smallest when cos theta equals -1. But because it's being raised to the power of 4, when that's -1, and we raise it to the power of 4, it will become positive. So that's not going to be the smallest value. The smallest value is actually going to be when this equals 0. 0 to the power of 4 is going to be smaller than -1 to the power of 4. So it's at its smallest when cos theta equals 0. So when cos theta equals 0, we're going to have 1 over 8 times 0 plus 4, which is just a quarter. So the greatest value is a quarter. When it's at its when the function's at its smallest is when 8 cos 4 theta plus 4 is at its largest. So that's when cos to the power of 4 theta is as big as possible, which will be when cos theta equals, well, -1 or 1. And when that happens, we'll get 8 times 1 plus 4, which is 12. So the smallest value of the function is 1 over 12.